Hello and welcome to Anti-Cancer Foods. Today we're going to explore the science of the link between dairy and cancer. While milk and other dairy products have been touted as health foods, there is more and more evidence to show that as a high source of saturated fat, dairy products contributes to disease. Milk is essentially a growth hormone for baby cows, and in Western diets where we are no longer lacking in calories, it's time to question the wisdom of humans drinking the milk of baby cows. If we consider that cows need to grow over 1,000 pounds in less than 2 years, and cancer being an uncontrollable growth of cells, then we probably should worry about the safety of consuming dairy. Cheese is especially dangerous since it contains approximately 70% fat and are high in salt content. In a recent 2022 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, researchers showed a clear link between dairy foods and prostate cancer. This was a prospective cohort study of almost 30,000 men in US and Canada. In total, 1,254 incident prostate cancer cases were found during an average of almost 8 years of follow-up. Men in the 90th percentile of dairy intake were compared with those in the 10th percentile. They found that men in the 90th percentile of dairy intake had higher prostate cancer risk. The cancer risk was, however, not seen with non-dairy sources of calcium. This raises the question of which component of dairy products might be causally related to prostate cancer and by what possible mechanisms. The researchers found that the insulin-like growth factors, IGF-1, and binding proteins may represent a possible causal mechanism. This 2022 article published in the journal Aging Cell shows that both high and low levels of IGF-1s could have detrimental health effects. By analyzing and comparing different ranges of IGF-1 in over 30,000 subjects, they found that both high and low levels of IGF-1 increase mortality risk, and for the first time, they identify a specific mid-range being associated with the lowest mortality. Using the survey, they demonstrated an association between high intake of animal proteins, carbohydrates, and milk-based products and IGF-1 levels. In this 2014 study of nearly 10,000 women, researchers found that those who consumed low-fat diets have a 23% lowered risk for breast cancer recurrence. In this 2017 study funded by the National Cancer Institute, scientists compared the diets of women diagnosed with breast cancer to those without breast cancer, and they found that those who consumed the most American cheddar and cream cheeses had a 53% higher risk for breast cancer. In this 2015 study published in the International Journal of Cancer, researchers found that men who consumed 3 or more servings of dairy products per day had a 141% higher risk for death due to prostate cancer, compared to those who consumed less than 1 serving. Even with this evidence, Western diets still contain a large amount of milk and cheese. Dairy has been marketed as an essential food for strong bones, but clearly we need to consider the negative effects and potential health risks like heart disease, different types of cancers, digestive problems, and type 1 diabetes. I hope you found the information in this video to be useful. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.